Hello, my name is Emre Yilmaz. I'm orthopedic trauma surgeon from Germany, a former SSF and SNI research fellow, currently here for a traveling fellowship. And here's what is happening this week at SSF. Join us Wednesday morning when we held a unique edition of our STAT Talk series. The Swedish Neuroscience Institute and the Ruhr-Universität of Bochum will join forces for a special international spine conference, what all spine surgeons need to know. Also mark your calendar for June 29th when we hold our 10th annual MIS Spine Symposium. The trend in spine surgery for many procedures has been moving towards minimal invasive approaches. These include spine surgery for lumbar fusion, deformity surgery, and cervical surgery. Despite numerous benefits of minimal invasive spine surgery, there is a difficult learning curve for surgeons when mastering MIS procedures. Through expert lectures and cadaver demonstration in our BioSkills lab, we will help familiarize physicians on MIS techniques to create more options for treating spine conditions. As always, you can register for any of our courses at ssfcme.org. And thank you for supporting the Seattle Science Foundation.